Welcome to CodiumAI's September recap. We have some exciting new updates we would love to share with you. Let's dive in. We have added support for all major languages in both VS Code and JetBrains IDs. Simply click the button above every class, method, or function. Alternatively, right-click on your code and navigate to the CodiumAI menu. You now have the option to extend an existing test suite. Click on the Add to Test Suite button above your test class or function, explore the existing behaviors, and select new tests to add to your suite. Additionally, we have expanded the behaviors list to include sub-behaviors, allowing you to add more specific cases to any test that piques your interest. Have you tried our PR agent yet? This Git plugin offers various commands, and we've now integrated it into your IDE, making it accessible even before a pull request is created. With it, you can review your PR, request a description, ask for a commit message, and receive suggestions to improve your code diff. Join us at the AI Engineer Summit in San Francisco on October 8th. Our co-founder Dedi will give an intriguing talk, and our top engineers will be waiting for you at our booth. See you there! Check out the links below for more details on each feature, and stay tuned for the CodiumAI October recap.